Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Jules' page. Heute wir machen Thunfisch Frühlingsrolle or Tuna Springrolls. In Tagalog, Lumpiang Tuna. So we need 2 onion, 4 garlic, and 200 grams carrots. Grate the carrots. It's easier than cutting, but if you don't have grater, you can also cut, but very fine. And we need also 3 kinds of tuna, dried and Thunfisch. We must remove this juice, the soft. Pwede nyo rin itong gawing pangnegosyo or ibenta, lumpiang tuna. Yet we do the stir frying, heat the pan and oil. Stir fry onion and garlic. Add the grated carrots or meren. Add the tuna or the Thunfisch. Etwas Pfeffer und Fischsauce, Chili Pulver, Chili Powder, Schnittlauch or green onion, add 3 tablespoons soya sauce oder 3 Esslöffel soya sauce. That's the same. Das ist schon fertig. Lassen wir ein bisschen cool oder ja. Let it a little bit cool. And now it's wrapping time. So we need wrapper, lumpiang wrapper or springrolls wrapper. It's frying time. Of course, you must first heat the oil before you fry the spring rolls. So it cooks when it will turn golden brown in color. Our delicious tuna spring rolls are done. Dip to our sweet and spicy sauce. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Till next time. Cheers!